Hello to anyone and everyone watching, and welcome again to Confused Interactive's video presentation portion for Academic Nightmare. This time, we'll be talking about our Unity Prototype 1 with regards to the game assets, including their relevance to the scene, what went well or didn't go so well, what to change, and what future assets might be required. First of all, we'll start by quickly introducing our team again. We have Barrett, our producer, Carlos, our lead software engineer, Mohammed, our gameplay programmer, Taiwan, our UI UX designer, Carter, our audio engineer, and finally Angela, Samantha, and Michael, our generalist programmers. Next, you can see a few example screenshots from the prototype demo level that we created. In it, we have included some school-themed assets, including a schoolgirl main character that we'll be playing, as that's the central theme of the story, a student in school. So just to recap, our game is centered around a school, and in the school there's a student who can't seem to focus on school. Their objective is to battle their way through classroom scenarios, a cafeteria, and finally the principal's office while scoring well to keep their grades up so they can avoid losing the game as punishment for failing their classes, with the win condition being able to escape school. And here you will see some mechanics that we have, some dynamics that we might include or might not include depending on their complexity. So let's move on to the actual prototype. So in the prototype, you're going to find our mascot student here at the top left and the player sprite in the scene. For this prototype demo, we designed a hallway level that will ideally take you through each classroom level before finally ending at the principal's office in the end after each classroom level. In the scene, you see multiple objects that could be present with varying degrees and relevance in each classroom level, such as chairs, tables, bookcases, storage cabinets, speakers, lab equipment, windows, bulletin boards, chalkboards, and even pot plants, a few here and there. Some are just for decoration, while others might contain relevant gameplay elements associated with our character depending on the level, such as defending or attacking. Next, we'll quickly take a look at the early stages of a possible animator tree that we created. Our character will be animated to do a number of actions, including being idle, walking, running, jumping, crouching, falling after jumping obviously, taking damage, being defeated, and even an extra cheer animation as a special fun little emote. These will undoubtedly require some coding and triggers to make them function and work as intended, but for now they only play continuously and are attached to the player character model. Finally, let's take a look at how this simple scene functions from the sprites to the character. So as you can see, our character is animated, moving and stops at the end of the hallway where they're met with walls, and they're able to move around, back and forth, and stop at any point. There's collision detection as well. I hope this helped give a general sense of our game ideas and possible scenarios we would like to implement to our game. Thank you for watching, and take care.